guys, today I cook spaghetti. Home cooked spaghetti. I use garlic, fried garlic, and some onions, deciduous onions. Stir fry it, and then I put the minced pork. Okay, and stir fry it, cook for it. And then I add some water, and after that I put my pasta sauce and also tomato sauce and pepper, black pepper, add some salt. Then I put my spaghetti noodles. The spaghetti noodles has to cook for 15 minutes. First, the noodles must cook it before you put in all the gravy sauce in. So that's how to cook spaghetti at home. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.